Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, in our last class or previous class we have done parts of speech, and in our today's class we are going to start tenses. First is present tense. The tense of a verb refers to the time when action takes place. Tense क्या होता है? Tense verb की ये बताता है वर्ब के बारे में कि कोई भी एक्शन, कोई भी काम कब हुआ है, किस समय हुआ है. टेंस टेल्स द टाइम ऑफ द एक्शन. There are three basic tenses, as you all know. There are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense means present tense which refers to the present time. Past भूतकाल, फ्यूचर भविष्यकाल. प्रेजेंट वर्तमान, पास्ट भूत, एंड फ्यूचर इज योर फ्यूचर टेंस भविष्य. नाउ प्रेजेंट टेंस. प्रेजेंट टेंस टॉक्स अबाउट द एक्शन विच टेक्स प्लेस इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम. प्रेजेंट टेंस ऐसे एक्शंस के बारे में बात करता है या ऐसे एक्शंस के बारे में बताता है जो प्रेजेंट टाइम में एट प्रेजेंट काम करते हैं या होते हैं. पास्ट टेंस टॉक्स अबाउट द एक्शन विच इज़ कम्प्लीटेड इन दी पास्ट. और पास्ट टेंस जो होता है वो हमें पास्ट में जो एक्शंस हो चुके हैं उनके बारे में बताता है. फ्यूचर टेंस टॉक्स अबाउट द एक्शन विच विल टेक प्लेस इन दी फ्यूचर. फ्यूचर टेंस ऐसे टेंसेस के बारे में बताता है, ऐसे एक्शंस के बारे में बताता है जो फ्यूचर में होंगे, फ्यूचर में होने वाले कामों के बारे में बताता है. So these are your three basic tenses: present, past and future. As their name defines, present tense refers to the present time, past refers to the actions completed in past, and future refers to the actions which will take place in the near future. So these were the three basic tenses. Now their forms. There are four forms of every tense, whether it is past, present or future. Every three of the basic tenses have their four forms, which are simple form, continuous form, perfect form and perfect continuous form. Simple form, continuous form, perfect continuous form. So forms of present tense. First one is simple present tense. It is used. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का यूज़ किया जाता है, इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, उपयोग किया जाता है इन टू शो हैबिचुअल एक्शन. हैबिचुअल एक्शन जो आदत है, हैबिट है, उनको दिखाने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी प्लेज बैडमिंटन एवरी डे. शी प्लेज बैडमिंटन एवरी डे. वो हर रोज़ बैडमिंटन खेलती है. टू एक्सप्रेस अ यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ. एक जो विश्व सत्य होता है, ब्रह्मांड सत्य होता है, उसको बताने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शिप्स सेल इन वाटर. नाव जो है कहाँ तैरती है? पानी में ही तैरेगी, धरती पे तो चलेगी नहीं. एंड और एग्जाम्पल्स लाइक सनराइजेज इन द ईस्ट. सनराइजेज इन द ईस्ट. दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ. नेक्स्ट इज to express a future event which is already arranged. ऐसे फ्यूचर इवेंट को बताने के लिए सिंपल प्रेजेंट का यूज़ किया जाता है जब कोई फ्यूचर की इवेंट, फ्यूचर डजंट मीन्स आफ्टर 10 years 12 years, इट मे बी आफ्टर 2 seconds और 2 hours 3 hours. सो टू एक्सप्रेस अ फ्यूचर इवेंट विच इज़ ऑलरेडी अरेंज्ड. ऐसी भविष्य की योजना बताने के लिए जो पहले से ही उसकी अरेंजमेंट्स कर लिए गए हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द टूर्नामेंट बिगिनस टुमारो. टूर्नामेंट कल से शुरू होगा, तो टूर्नामेंट ऐसा तो है नहीं, इट विल बी ऑन लार्ज स्केल, तो इट नीड टू बी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड बिफोर. सो द टूर्नामेंट बिगिनस टुमारो. नेक्स्ट इज़ टू एक्सप्रेस थॉट्स एंड फीलिंग्स. अपने थॉट्स और फीलिंग्स बताने के लिए भी सिंपल प्रेजेंट का यूज़ किया जाता है. लाइक, आई लाइक द फूड हियर. मुझे यहाँ का खाना पसंद है. ये थॉट्स हैं और फीलिंग्स है. फीलिंग, गुड फीलिंग. थॉट्स आर पॉजिटिव वे में थॉट है उसका कि आई लाइक द फूड हियर, कि यहाँ का खाना मुझे पसंद आया. So as you have read all the sentences, you find that in simple present tense we used to use s with the verb in these sentences. Now there are affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences are those sentences in which we didn't use not. They are positive sentences. Affirmative. As you can see, here is a sentence structure. First one is subject, verb first form and other words. Subject is I, we, you, he, she, they, and first form of the verb is drive, 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 drives, drives, and drive. Second, other words are a car, a car, a car. So I drive a car, we drive a car, you drive a car, he drives a car, she drives a car, they drive a car. He and she, when he and she is talking, when we talk about he and she, we use s with the verb as someone else is talking about other. It means they are in plural form. So they are taking s with them. Next, as you can see, there is an exercise, and in this exercise you have to fill in the blanks with simple present form of the verbs given in brackets. You can see that there are brackets in every sentence, and you have to fill these simple present form with the sentences. Aman is a very sociable. He dash bracket में know a lot of people. Aman is very sociable. He knows a lot of people. My sister works very hard. You are good at badminton. You win every game. Most of the employees live close to the office. The new term starts next week. Rani writes very interesting stories. We play in the playground. Lion eats flesh. The tournament begins tomorrow. I exercise every morning. As you can see that there are now negative sentences. As the name suggests, negative sentences are those sentences which use not with them. Like, as you can see, I don't get up early in the morning. We don't get up early in the morning. You don't get up early in the morning. He doesn't get up early in the morning. She doesn't get up early in the morning, and they don't get up early in the morning. Here also he and she are using does not, and other words are using don't. As they are talking about the singular nouns. Next is, you can see the exercise and change the following affirmative sentences into negative and negative into affirmative. There are some sentences given and you have to change them. If the sentences are in affirmative sentence, then you have to change them in negative, and if the sentences are in negative sense, then you have to change them into affirmative sentence. First one is, my sister goes to school on foot. My sister does not goes to school on foot. You have to just put does not or don't in the sentence. I learn my lesson every morning. I don't learn my lesson every morning. The planets do not revolve around the sun. So instead of it is a negative sentence and you have to make it a affirmative sentence. Then you will write the planets revolve around the sun. These two you have to do as your homework in your homework notebooks. The first one is, water does not evaporate on heating. It is a negative sentence and you have to change it into an affirmative sentence, which you will write like, water evaporates on heating. Next is, if you don't work hard, you will fail in the exams. You fail in the exams. The first part of the sentence is given in negative and second is in positive, so affirmative. So you have to make the first into affirmative and second into negative. You will write, if you work hard, you will not fail in the exams. Next is interrogative, means questioning, yes no type questions. As you can see, sentence structure is do, does, do. Do I read a book? Do we read a book? Do you read a book? Does he read a book? Does she read a book? Do they read a book? Sentences are like this. Only you have to change he and she with does. He and she took does before them. So do the exercise same here. I play cricket every day. It's an affirmative sentence and you have to change it into interrogative sentence. So do I play cricket every day? After that question mark. Asta and Anita exercise every morning. Do they? Do they? Either write do they or write do Asta or write do Asta and Anita exercise every morning. After that question mark. End of the sentence. My father helps the needy people. Does my father or do my father help the needy people? Question mark. And these three you have to do as your homework. First one is my mother cooks food in the kitchen. My mother cooks food in the kitchen. Does my mother cooks food in the kitchen? Question mark. Does my mother cooks food in the kitchen? They work hard in the school. They work hard in the school. You have to write the answer like do they work hard in the school? Do they work hard in the school? Next is the peon rings the bell. The peon rings the bell. Does the peon rings the bell? Does the peon rings the school bell? Okay students, this is all for this class. I hope you understood whatever we have read. 3 sentence types: affirmative, negative and interrogative. In affirmative you have to change, you didn't have to change anything, you just have to add s with the verb wherever necessary with he and she. In negative sentence you have to use don't or does not, and in interrogative sentence you have to put just do and does before subject, and after subject you have to use the first form of the verb with other words. And do the homework whatever I had given today. In next class we will do the next topic of the forms of sentence. Till then, that time, stay safe at home, be blessed.